Right, polygon reduction. It's really simple. So I'm gonna bring in a file that has a lot of polygons. Let's see, open. This is a 3D scan of my buddy Tim. Let's see, rotate this so we can see his face. There we go. And as you can see, all these dark areas, there's a lot of polygons, that's why it's all dark. And we're going to reduce the polygon, but before that, let's see how many polygons there is. So I'm going to have the object selected. I'm going to name it Tim. And you go objects, object information. Project information, like it will show the polygons of your whole project, like if you had other objects in there. But we just want to look at Tim, and it says right here 156,000 polygons, which is a good amount. So we want to reduce it. So we go down here and polygon reduction, and it goes into here. And what you want to do is you want to drag the polygon reduction into the object that you want to reduce. Now let's take a look at it first. So I got polygon reduction highlighted, and then down here it says reduction strength. It's at 90%. Usually when I do it, I want to start it at 50% first, and that's just me. You can do it however you want. We'll start at 50%. Then I'm gonna drag it into Tim, and then there was a little bar that said it was working, but it was really fast. And if you notice, it's not as dark anymore. And at 50%, he still looks good. So we can go back up here and click on Tim, and we go object information, and it has a 0 in parentheses 77,900. So this is what it would be if we accept it, 77,900. So reduced it halfway. But you know, let's reduce this some more. Let's go to 80% reduction. And you saw it highlight a little bit and it's lighter. So it just reduced it even more. And let's look at Tim. Oh yeah, he still looks good. Still looking good, my man. Okay. Well, let's, something. Let's reduce 90%. See what happens. And I can tell he lost a little bit of detail. Still looks good. And if you were making a game or something using an object, you can reduce it more. But I'm actually gonna 3D print him, so I want a little bit more quality back. I'm gonna go to 70, and it looks good. I think the polygon is low enough for me, so let's go to object information. Whoops, I have to have Tim highlighted. Object information, 46,000, which is still a lot. But I'm not making a game, I'm just using one object, and I'm gonna 3D print them, so it's all good to me. Let's see what else. I'm forgetting something. Oh yes, so you have to make it into a single object. So highlight, click on Tim, right click, go down to current state to object. Click that, it makes another Tim. Then you can delete the old one with the polygon reduction, and then we'll check it. Object information, 46,000, and that's how you do polygon reduction. Alright, thanks guys.